Okay, this video I'm going to walk you through how to add pleats to our little notebook sample here. So the first part was to actually give this pattern piece an empire seam. So that means you have to remember how to cut your pattern piece. So think about it. Can you figure it out before me telling you? Hopefully eventually you figure out. You just need your scissors. That's kind of nice. You notice there's two scissors here. The one on the left is to cut your pattern piece, and then the other one is for any internal line. Okay, but we need the one on the left. So you just decide where is your empire seam going to be. Okay, and then come straight down, click it. Again, you can always check your measurement points if you have a point of measurement sheet to work with. You have a little bit of control to type in your exact measurements. In this case, we're just in the design mode eyeballing it. So just say, okay, cut piece and apply 0 grade. Yeah. We have some choices on how to finish our seam allowances. Right now, just go ahead and say, okay. Okay, it's been separated. To double check that it has, I'm in my selection tool and hit the space bar and I can move it so you can see they are now two separate pieces here. So now I'm ready to add pleats to the bottom portion. And they do make it really easy with this add pleat tool. We're going to add multiple. Let's go ahead and add 4 pleats with a 1-inch depth. So see, the multiple pleat tool, of course, is grayed out, so we can't use it. So we need to do something so that we can use it. Any ideas what we need to do? We need to select the segment of where we want to put it. So I can click one point and hold Shift and click the other point. And you notice this segment was selected. And voila, he's no longer grayed out. He's ready to play. Let's go ahead and click it. Let's go ahead, I think I said 4 pleats, depth 1 inch is fine, knife pleats are fine today, and go ahead and, we're not going to do any angles, just going to be straight, and say okay. So there it is. This is our pattern piece, so much longer, so it's going to cost more money, it's going to take more fabric. If you wanted to true up your pieces, make sure it's the right length, you can fold the pieces together, so if you just go to pleats, close all pleats, and then you're close and you can see that this line is the same length as this line since they'll be getting sewn together as well. So that's, again, pretty easy tool once you get used to it, very useful as well. And that concludes this sample.